if you go to hell? When will these clouds go away, turn into rain? And when will the stars in my head do good instead? I wanna fly away, fly to a place where all the clouds go away and turn to rain. Drinking way too much, drinks I can't afford. Annoyed by little things, wanna kick people out the door.